Hey Miser Makers, it's Hill again with a quick video. It may not be edited perfectly because we've got this Hurricane Irma coming right now. This is Saturday about noon time, and it is hitting South Florida big time, and it's coming this way. I'm in Central Florida, but I don't know how much longer I'm going to have power to edit this, so I want to get this out real quick and hope you enjoy it. And viewer discretion advised. There's some disgusting stuff in this video. We're going to be cleaning out our sink, and it is really disgusting. We're going to be printing out a drain cleaner and seeing how well we can clean it out and see if it works. Okay, watch the video, have fun. Here we go. Okay, so I've got a problem with the sink getting clogged up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look on Thingiverse, find a cleaner, and print it out. So here we go. Here is the nasty clogged up sink. So let's fix it. So this is where 3D printing is very practical and very useful. So I've looked on Thingiverse, and here is a drain cleaner by Thingiverse user Gannon, published on June 14th, 2017. So we're going to print that out. I just happen to have black PLA in there, so ours is going to be black, but it doesn't really matter. So I've downloaded the file. So now I'm going to fire up Octoprint here. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up here, get everything heating up. Actually, I need to take off. I was printing fidget spinners here. I need to take that off real quick here before it gets too warm and makes it stick. Look at that. Nice. Okay. So it's heating up. Alright, so let's get this file on here and let's slice it. Print files. We're going to make a new directory. Create folder. Let's do drain cleaner. There we go. Okay, let's go to the directory, drain cleaner. We will upload the STL file we just downloaded. Actually, I just downloaded it a little while ago. Here we go, drain cleaner. I know you've probably seen a little flicker since I'm just filming the thing, but it's quicker. Just doing a quick video. I don't really want to set up the screen recording. Okay, so there we go. We're going to open it. And we're going to select the profile. Let's see. I'm going to do, I don't want it too thick to where it's too stiff, but I don't want it so flexible it doesn't grab anything. Let's go with, we'll do a 50% infill. And try that. So I usually label this with my profile so I can know exactly what I use to build the file. And we'll start printing. Slice. And it's usually pretty quick. This is a Raspberry Pi 3, so the slicing is usually pretty quickly done. There we go. The heated bed is probably still heating up. Yeah, we still got a little way to go. About 7 more degrees. Want to get this done because we got this Hurricane Irma coming. I'm in Central Florida here, and this is Friday night, and it's supposed to be hitting here sometime late tomorrow night, Saturday, early Sunday, and the worst is going to be Sunday evening into Monday. So it'd be nice to have the sink clean and draining properly. Still heating up a little bit. 2 more degrees. And it should be good to go. see what it estimates on the time. Estimated 26 minutes. That's not much at all. 17 cents. Cheaper than spending $5 or whatever it would be to buy it. Plus, a lot of the stores are closing now and they're swamped with people. You go to Home Depot or Lowe's to get something like this and their stores are already swamped. Alright, let's see how this is going to print. Okay, doing the skirt. There we go. Okay, it's printing at an angle. I'm going to watch this here. Ooh, it's going off the bed. Yuck. You know what? That's going to be the top. I'm going to... it's not good. Oh, it's too fat of a skirt. This may still work. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Ew. That was not good. Yeah, I remember this profile. I had the skirt really wide, which isn't really necessary. There we go. It's still on the bed. Pull this skirt off. Tight there. The main part should work though. If it doesn't get clogged from. Gotta figure out why it's not leveling properly on some of these. I have to check the firmware, see if it's saving properly. Something's definitely not right. This is what happens when the bed is not level. See how it's skipping? That's when the filament can't come out. See, look at that. It's too close. It's hitting the glass, so the filament can't come out. So it's kind of jamming it, and it just keeps popping. Now once it gets to the part that's a little bit lower and it gets to higher layers, it won't be so much of a problem. But you can see here how it's not good. You can see where it had room and it did, so you can tell that this part here on the left side is higher than it needs to be. So it needs to be leveled better, that's for sure. Something didn't level right when I did the last leveling, the auto level. So I'm going to have to check that. But that's what happens when it's not level. See the loading? Look how it... Well, now it's to the part where it's okay. So it'll work normally. Oh, you hear that popping? That's what I'm talking about. The filament just gets stuck. Can't extrude, so it ends up jumping back. See? On that part. Now once it gets a couple layers higher, it'll probably start kind of working. And the rest, and this will still be a useful print because this is just to clean out the drain. But you can see what happens when it gets out of level. Now it's going to run pretty good until it hits that spot again. So that shows the importance of the bed being level. You can totally ruin prints if you don't. This one just happens to be one that'll probably work. It's just to clean out the drain, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like. And even if I didn't have that handle on there, it'd still work. Okay, we're at 1 millimeter height now. So it should start working better, and we might even get the rest of this handle filled out on this layer. It'll be thinner on this end. Let's see what happens here. Okay, see, now it's working. So it's high enough. Now it should be a millimeter up, but it's putting it right on the plate because it's uneven. It shows you what an unlevel bed can do. We'll see how this turns out. Should still be able to use it to clean the drain. See what we got left. It still says 23 minutes. Alright, we'll check it back in a few minutes here. See if this fills it in where it's halfway decent. Yeah, that's going to kind of work. I'm not creating this print for beauty, just functionality, and it should function normally. This is the practical use of 3D printing now. So that handle part should start looking better and better once it starts adding some layers on there. So it's looking pretty good, even though the bed was not perfectly level and we had issues starting off. It's still going to work. See how it finishes up here. And there it is. Don't want to break it right there. There we go. Got it. See a little crummy on the bottom there, but it should still be functional. Alright, let's go try it out. Alright, let's do this disgusting thing. Draining. Pulled it up enough, but it's obviously sucking it down. I didn't need to pull anything up, but certainly working. Well, I got it dislodged just enough where it just sucked the rest down. I gotta clean out all this spray. There we go. Nasty. Viewer warning advised. Graphic images of disgusting sinks and gross hair in the sink. There we go, there's the drain properly. Cleaned up and good as new. The benefits of 3D printing. Thanks to our 3D printed drain cleaner. Hey, if you like these videos, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. It'll help me out a whole lot. I love producing this information, and I just want to spread it around so I can get a bunch of feedback, and that gives me more content that I can produce even more videos that you like. So, subscribe, like, share, and happy making!